Hi, I'm Mason.
And I'm Jake,
and welcome to Tone Zone. This is going to be our review and demo on the JHS Angry Charlie, which is basically a JCM 800 in a box.
Which, if any of you know anything about guitar amps, you know that it's a bit special. So we'll take you through a few of the tones that you can get from this, starting from low gain. Well, we'll start with the 12 o'clock sound, what it sounds like, you know, out of the box, and then we'll do some fiddling about, you know, getting different sounds from it. But yeah, hopefully you get a good idea of how it sounds from that.
All the controls are at 12, and we're playing through an orange Rockefeller 100 head into the open back 2x12 cab, with a Fender Tele Deluxe, which is completely stock, and mic'd with an SM57. So basically how we've set it now is the gain is cranked a bit, so you're going to get kind of that chunky metal sound. The tone has been rolled back a bit as well. Well, I say rolled back. Rolled back adds more treble on this pedal, so it's kind of like reversed to normal, like Boss style pedals. But yeah, it's going to add a little bit more treble through, so it's going to sound a bit meatier.
Right, so now we're switching to a G&L Fallout Tribute, so this is an Indonesian made one. The pickups in this are actually really nice for what they are. So what we're doing now is splitting the humbucker to a single coil and blending it with the P90 in the neck, so it gives you a nice thick kind of creamy clean sound. We're going to play that into the Angry Charlie, and we're going to have it on a kind of low gain setting. Mason's going to mess around with some of the settings whilst I play a little bit. Here's the clean sound. going to show you how well the pedal cleans up when you roll back your volume, just like a valve amp would. Cool.
Thanks for watching. I've been Mason.
And I've been Jake. So thanks for checking out Tone Zone, and I hope this demo of the JHS Angry Charlie has been helpful. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comment section below.
And subscribe. Cheers. Sick.
That's a wrap. Yeah, I think that's about it. We just need to sign off then, man.
Jump.
Yeah.
It's good that we can edit all of it.
Yeah.